Picture this. You're presenting your dissertation and every point you make hits home. That's the magic of a top-notch academic argument. Today, we're going to show you how to create an argument that's not just strong, but downright convincing. Get ready to learn the secrets of making your dissertation stand out. First things first, what is an academic argument? Think of it like telling a really persuasive story. You've got a main point, that's your thesis, lots of facts and ideas to back it up, your evidence, and a strong ending, the conclusion. The trick is to tie all these parts together so they make sense and really grab your reader's attention. Your thesis statement is the heart of your argument. It's a single sentence that lays out your main point clearly and strongly. It's like a promise to your reader about what they're going to learn. Instead of saying, "I'm writing about climate change," you could say, "Renewable energy is key to tackling climate change." See the difference? Now let's gather our evidence. This is like being a detective looking for clues. The evidence includes facts, studies, or expert opinions that support your thesis. But remember, it's not about how much evidence you have, but how strong it is. Choose evidence that's solid and directly relates to your main point. If you think this is helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more. Structuring your argument is all about organization. Start with an intro that grabs attention and clearly states your thesis. Then, in the body of your paper, lay out your evidence piece by piece, making sure each one connects back to your thesis. End with a conclusion that wraps everything up and highlights why your argument matters. A great argument also considers the other side. Think about what others might say against your point and address those arguments head on. This shows you've thought things through and strengthens your own argument. It's like saying, "I've heard the other side, but here's why I still think I'm right." The last step is polishing your argument. This means going through your work and making sure it's clear and easy to follow. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Read it out loud to see if it flows nicely. This is your chance to make your argument as strong and clear as possible. In summary, building a winning academic argument takes practice. You need a clear thesis, strong evidence, good organization, and a bit of polish. The goal is to make a point that's not just persuasive, but also really engaging for your reader. Before we finish, I've got a question for you. What challenges have you faced in making your academic arguments, and how did you tackle them? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's chat and learn from each other. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Writers ER for more helpful tips. With Writers ER, you're not just writing, you're making arguments that really speak to people. Keep tuned for more, and happy writing.